Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a little bag to share with you and I'm going to give you all the details of this luxury item. We'll see. If you're new, then welcome to my channel. I hope that you will stick around for some more videos. Don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up if you do enjoy this video, and be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. You know, it's a little hit or miss if you're even going to get them that way, but that will ensure that at least you get maybe some notifications. If you're not familiar with my channel, I do a lot of makeup videos, I do subscription boxes, giveaways, all sorts of stuff, and also you can follow me on Instagram. I'll keep you guys updated when my videos are posted too. So if for some reason you're not getting notifications or you would rather just see it on Instagram, you can always check my Instagram stories. I try to keep you updated of what I'm posting and when. Let's jump right into it. I have this. So this is the Sephora Play Luxe bag. So this you don't have to have a subscription to get. You can actually purchase it just on the Sephora website or the app. So this goes for $25. Most of their boxes have a good like mixture of products. This one is all high-end luxury products like SK2, YSL, so some really prestigious high-end beauty brands. So hopefully we're gonna get some good stuff. There are 3 versions of this bag, so you actually do get to pick based off of what you like. A few of the items are the same and then a few are different. Now, funny story is I ordered the box labeled B and it is not the one I meant to get. There was a whole nother one that had a Guerlain lipstick in it. That's the one I meant to get. I got one that has a Tom Ford fragrance that I know I don't like. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed, but it's totally my fault. Like, I went through the history and yeah, I just picked the wrong bag, but it still got all the luxury products still for the same price. So it also comes with this bag, which I actually think is pretty cute. Like, I don't want real leather or anything anyway, so yeah, it obviously doesn't look like incredibly high-end, but I think it's pretty cute. You know, it's a little cute little size of a bag anyway, big enough for you to throw on your arm and hold it at your elbow if you want. So it's pretty convenient. I'll actually use this, so that I'm stoked about. And you have your little goodies inside. So it does come with a little booklet that tells you about all of the products. I'm just going to set that to the side right now. All right, so first it comes with a product from a brand I really love. This is the Amore Pacific Treatment Enzyme Peeling Mask. So I have had this before. It's a really good product. The only thing is it is a really small size, so take that with a grain of salt. It's just a little mask. This is only 0.1 ounces, so it's a very small size, and with the feel of this product, it's kind of really tiny. There's just a lot of like space in here. It's only 0.1 ounces, so this is one use. A sample at Sephora would probably be about this much, so I wouldn't consider that like a big win on the part of this bag. But even though I love the brand and I love their products, you know, it's like one use, so you're basically doing just like a baby sample. This I'm pretty excited about. This is the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. This is a pretty generous size. It is 1 full ounce. So with this, you know, you can use many times. It's not going to limit you to just one use. I do always recommend with an essence like this just to dab it into your hand and press it in. That way you don't waste it into a cotton pad, because a lot of them will say that, and I have like my favorite Shiseido cotton pads, but they will soak a lot of this up, and this is precious. Like, a bottle of this is upwards of $100 depending on the size that you get, but it is amazing. I've heard nothing but good things about it. You know, it looks like, you know, you're just getting this watery little substance, but it's really good, I promise. This is a little touch point perfume. So I think this is like a small roller ball. It goes from about there to there. And this is the Tom Ford Black Orchid. I personally don't like this scent, which is why I was going to go for a different bag altogether. And I'm not really keen on like fragrance samples in my subscription boxes. Now this is more than a sample. It's definitely okay to throw into your bag. I'm going to put this aside just as like a little, you know, baby add-on to my next giveaway, because most people love this and I'm sure other people would like it. I mean, it's the perfect size for your purse, you know, if you only want to dab on just a little bit. This is a perfume, so it's very concentrated, so you don't need much of it if you do love the scent. So, you know, if you're keen to try a Tom Ford fragrance, this is a good way to do it because you get so much with it, and it's only $25. But that's that little guy, and this comes with 0.1 ounces again. So a very small size, but enough fragrance to use a few times. It also came with the Tata Harper Resurfacing Mask. This is 0.25 ounces, so it's a little bit bigger. This does come in a small jar. I have used some Tata Harper Very natural, one of the cleanest brands. They've been clean for a long time and they use very natural ingredients. The only downside to that, sometimes, not all the time, because I loved like my Floor and B that I used. I did a whole video on it and I continue to use those products and enjoy them. So some clean skincare can still be great, but when I've tried some Tata Harper in the past, I just didn't feel blown away with, you know, the results. That it didn't feel super effective to me personally, but it is a very high-end brand and many people love the brand. So if you ever wanted to try the mask, again, a good way to do it. And I should mention again, if this sells out, which they usually do, they do have different volumes. This is actually volume 5, so they will continue to probably do these. So this is just like a little taste of it. And then you can always be on the lookout when they do the next volume of the Play Luxe. So we also have from Hourglass, this is the Mineral Veil Primer in a little guy. This one is 0.12 fluid ounces. With this primer, a little goes a long way. So I have used a size like this before and used it many times. I actually have a full size of this, so I'm not going to take this little guy, but it will help your makeup be water resistant. It's just a good basic primer. Like, it's not matte and it's not hydrating. It just really is a good like balancing primer. So if you're like in a pinch and you're like, oh my god, I don't know what primer to use, you can always use the Hourglass one. I feel like it does a great job. So I'm just going to put that little guy aside for my next giveaway pile. And then we also have from YSL, this is the Mascara Volume Effect False Lash Effect. So this is a mascara, of course. I am intrigued to try this soon, so I am going to open it up. It is, of course, just a small size of the mascara. And this is the wand. This is like a regular brush. It has like a spiral in the brush itself, which I tend to like these. The bristles are spaced out a little bit more, so I feel like with this you get more volume than anything else typically with this type of a brush. But I am excited to try a YSL mascara and just see if it is worth the hype. So again, we got 4 small items. We have 2 different mask treatment type products that, you know, I can use a handful of times. This will be great to take with me when I go travel because, again, I love the products, I love the brand. When I traveled to New York in April, I took all Amore Pacific because I had all of these little minis, so it was perfect for that. The Tata Harper I would want to try out. I don't think I've tried the mask. I think I tried other products in the line. So I would like to try this, you know, make sure that my skin's okay with it, maybe at home. But SK2, the essence, is the most exciting thing for me. Like the SK2 in the little bag. I'm excited for my little YSL just to test the formula. The Hourglass is a great item. I know that it's really good, but it's not one that I'm like, oh my god, yes, I can't wait to use it, because I know that it's good. I have it. So 4 products in here that I will definitely use. Like I said, we will keep the little primer and the little perfume, and I will just put that aside as little extra items in my next giveaway. I love to, anytime I get anything, I usually put some of it aside for you guys, whether it's a PR box or a subscription box. Yeah, it keeps things fresh and it keeps me from having a collection that is just like incredibly overflowing with product. So yeah, I hope you guys don't mind that. So if you want to know about this eye look, I have a video coming up that is going to be a palette head to head. This is actually a $15 palette that I have on my eyes. It is absolutely stunning and gorgeous and beautiful. I felt like this necklace was fancy looking. It doesn't really look fancy, but it's gold, you know, maybe that was what I was thinking. But I can definitely take my little bag out and pretend I'm fancy and bougie. So anyway, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, be sure to go check out my giveaway that is going on right now. It's a collab giveaway too, so there are 3 giant prizes going to one person, and I can't wait. Like, whoever wins this is going to be like the most ecstatic ever, because there is some good stuff in there. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Like I said, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up if you do enjoy, and as always, make sure you're subscribed. Even if you don't want to enter the giveaway, subscribe to my channel. It helps me out so much, and I really do appreciate every single one, like every single subscription, comment, every like. It honestly means the world to me, and it helps me do what I love here. So thank you again so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm going to tell you about both palettes, what my thoughts are, and just if this is worth your money.